Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today we're changing the oil on a 2009 RAV4, but this can apply to any 2.5 liter. Engine code would be 2ARFE, the 2.5, not the 2.4. It's in the RAV4, it's in the Venza, it's in the Camry, and it's in some of the TC Scions. Okay, first thing you want to do, take off the oil filter cap so it has a nice better suction to drain out from the bottom, and then you can take the dipstick out, and now we're going to go on the bottom and drain the oil. Your car is going to have a pan here, but it has access holes for the filter, and in the back of the pan where it's dripping right here, that's a 14mm nut. You just take that out, let it drain until there's nothing left. You put it down, you torque it down to 30 foot-pounds, or nice and tight and snug. You can replace the little aluminum seal if you want, which is right here. You see the seal? This seal is good. It's not distorted or nothing like that. It's nice and thick. You can just clean it up and reuse it, torque it down. It'll be fine, unless you want to replace it with a new one. Now over here, the oil filter, they do something a little different. They put see, don't use an impact. Somebody used an impact. This is basically your socket, your 3/8 socket. The square head of the socket goes in this square, and you just, take it off. I loosened it already. You take it off with a wrench, not an impact wrench. Okay, over here is going to be a gasket, a little O-ring. Okay, whatever. A little bit of oil is going to come out of there. Now, when you get your oil filter, it's going to give you a little drain thing. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, it looks like something like this. Sometimes they screw in, this one just pushes in. And what it does is there's going to be a little extra oil in there, and this, just push it in. Oh, look at this. Well, I did a head gasket on this car, and this is not supposed to do that. All right? It pushes in, and it's going to drain out whatever's left. And then after that, they have some kind of a special tool. Unless you're going to buy the tool and do it yourself, they have a universal tool like this one. It's made by, I forget the company, but it's just a universal tool like this for all different types of filters. It's really nice. Let me give you let's see, does it have a model number? I'm not sure. Anyhow, it's basically like this, and it can go on here like this. And what it does, as it's taking it off, it digs in. It does. I took it off already, so it does a good job. Or you can get the tool that fits in here. It fits in here, and you can take it off that way. I have the tool, but it's not. I don't have it right here. But I use this one, and it takes it off fine. And what you do after that, you're going to unscrew it. Now, like I said, there may be coolant in here. There's not supposed to be coolant in yours unless you have a blown head gasket too. All right? And here's going to be a gasket right here. And here's the cartridge. And you clean that out. And now you're going to have the gasket for here is here. This gasket is for here. Just put them on. The old filter, you just put the new filter back in here, clean it all up in there. Okay, and then we're going to reinstall it like so. And you just screw it back in until it seats. Then you're going to put, see on the bottom of this is where the O-ring goes. Okay, and then you put this cap back on here, and you tighten that snug. And the oil filter, and make sure you tighten this bolt too. And the oil filter change on the bottom is done, and we just got to fill it up. So now we're going to fill it up. It usually takes 4.6 quarts. You could put 0W20, 0W30, 5W30. If it's a little bit older engine, those are fine weights. And synthetic is the way to go. And what you do after that, you check the stick. It should be a little bit higher than the high point, which is fine. You start it up, let it come up to operating temperature, shut it back down, wait about 10 minutes, then check it again, and then adjust your level up to the full mark. Let me show you. All right. Which is this mark right here. Okay? And then you're complete. You change the oil yourself, and you save yourself some money. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. I answer all my questions, try to get you guys back on the road. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and all the support.